Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically move furnitures and objects in The Sims 4. So you can basically just move it around like so. But I'm just gonna show you guys like another way to like move items around. I'll just show you with like a couch or a chair or something like that. Maybe this one, I want to place it here. But I don't really like where it is. For instance, I want to place it kind of to the right. Select Alt on your keyboard and you can basically place it not where the grid is, as you can see. And you can right click it to kind of like turn it like that, and again using the Alt key, place it anywhere you'd like. So that's for that one. You can also select what is it, shift? I don't remember what it was for this object, but you can kind of like move it wherever on the table. It is harder to do it on a surface though. You can also resize objects by pressing the bracket key on your keyboard, making it a little bit smaller or bigger. Now you have this really big lamp. You can also do it for like paintings or like decorations. You can kind of move it wherever. Here, I'm just going to make it, okay, I can't place it there. I'm just going to make it smaller. And here I can use the, I think I do have to use the like type cheat to use the 0 and 9 key, the BB move object, but those are just the ways to move furnitures in Sims. You can also like easily duplicate by using this here and just duplicating that using the eyedropper tool. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!